Hello guys, my name is Satinder Punya and I am your host and I'm content creator no one is making like this and also my channel is providing a very good information and also information about that how to solve daily to daily routine problem. Look guys, life is a gift. Life is a game. I mean, what kind of gamer you really want to become? Okay, it's very simple thing. I mean, the simplest thing which I'm telling you that life is a game. Okay, so which kind of gamer you really want to become? Look, it's very good that you are playing in computer, laptop, PC. I mean, many kind of game. I didn't play. I mean, I had played very little. I mean, this kind of habit I really because I am just critical. I'm just passionate about life. Okay, I'm just passionate about life. So, and I really want to become a life gamer, not this white city and all this kind of game. Okay, and also, so today's my channel is topic is about that how to talk. Okay, look, guys, human behavior is same. Okay, one thing is common in India, foreigner, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Israel. One thing you will find it common that human behavior, human psychology. And why I'm telling you this, that how to talk. I'm telling you a very good thing. I mean, this kind of information really no one will give you. So listen to each and every word very carefully because the information I'm giving you, this information is coming from experience, which I have, and you are just 15 and 20 kids. No, you are not a kid. You are a yes boy. But seriously, I really don't think so. I really don't think so. This is the knowledge and information you have. Okay, how to talk. Look, it's very good that you are talking everyone peacefully and you are very charming. You always just smile on your face. You want to make fun with others. Okay, but one thing, please, I'm telling you, ever talk to front of someone face. I'm giving you best example. Look, I have seen a lot of people, lot of girls also, lot of women also, whose eyes somewhere talking somewhere. They are saying something, they are meaning something. They are telling to them, they want to telling to them. Guys, this is a very mental psychology. This is a mental psychology. First of all, talk to someone eyes. Okay, talk someone eyes and to tell them what you really want to tell them. If look and if someone that you can really think that you can play with them. Look, this is very deep, but ever the first simple thing I'm telling you. I mean, look, guys, as much as you will do, your mind will mental illusion. Okay, I mean, look, I'm telling you, I have seen many women, girl, men. Just I have seen many in my village. They are just, I mean, lost. Their mind is lost, and they are MCom, BCom, government job. I mean, they are in a civil service, but this mind lost. Okay, and people you are seeing in 80s and 90s. I mean, have you ever seen that many women when they getting old, 90 years old, 85 years old? Just look at them, just observe them. They just sitting and just talking. I mean, they are whole life in an illusion, full of illusion. That's why I'm telling you, it's very important that how you talk someone front of face. Talk eye to eye, front of face. This is the good thing. You are just taunting someone with a angle point that you really want to spread fight. No. If you have problem, just talk as a manly. If you have any problem, if someone has a problem, if someone is bullying you, if someone is trying to poking you, talk as a manly. You know what? How man talks. Okay. This is all. And look, this courage. I'm not promoting violence also, but I really have to giving you this best example in movie Damini, where Sunny Deol talked to Amrish Puri that ये खिलौने बाजार में बहुत बिकते हैं, पर इसे चलाने के लिए जो गुर्दा होता है ना, वो एक मर्दी लेके पैदा होता है. ओके, सो एंड दिस इज फैक्ट, दिस इज द रियलिटी, यू कैन नेवर डिनाई विद इट. ओके, सो आई एम just telling you, always just, it's very important that talk you someone front of face. Okay, never talk that your eyes is somewhere, your tongue is somewhere, you are talking this, your meaning is this. This will harm you, this will affect you. I mean, people you see that who consumption alcohol, weed too much, and they just mentally sick. Okay, but look at this, many people like who did a great addiction, but they didn't mental illusion, because it's very important, guys, it's very important. Otherwise you will gonna in mess, because as much as you will do like this, it will become your habit, and your habit will become your life. Okay, I mean, I have seen, I'm talking about that girl. I mean they are, half of the girls, I'm telling you, divorce. Look at them, divorce. And they are, totally mentally drama. So don't be like a hell. Don't give to, if, and it's important, look that you are just silence. If you don't want to talk someone, just silence, keep silence. But if you really want to talk properly. It's very important. Make fun, make laugh, make dance, make your old dream fulfill, visit somewhere, sight singing somewhere, travel, dance, everything, everywhere. But talk to properly. It's very, very important. Otherwise, you're gonna be ill, mental illusion. This brain is everything. Okay, this brain is everything. Okay, so yes, if you just thinking that my channel is really, really helping you, look guys, why I'm talking this, because in 2026 there are many psychiatrists are warning. Look, the depression, this all the rubbish thing we didn't know when I was child, but in 2026 this is like a passion that people talking about depression, headache. There are big words, you see. Oh, I am depressed. Look, this is all just a bullshit. Okay, this is all just a bullshit. This is all just a bullshit. And look, people who are talking about this, give them a fawda and give them a parat and make them labor. Okay, their depression, their anxiety, their struggle of life, so much pain will remove in 2 days. Just give them a fawda and just give them a parat. Their depression, anxiety, all gonna solve in 2 days. I'm telling you. So yes, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and please for this kind of information, please tell me in comment section so I can make a more content for you. Thank you very much.